it was almost like an immediate thing when I came here. The staff at Hands On Therapy was just so welcoming. So like I've been to other therapy places to try to get help, and everyone else kind of just felt like they were just there for the money. Versus here, when I came here, it was just such like a loving environment that I just knew like I have to come here. Like there's literally like I came here on a Friday and Monday I started. So with my arm, it broke and they had to do surgery on this side and on this side. So when I first came, my arm was kind of like stuck like this. I couldn't like stretch it all the way out. Like if I stretched it out, it was kind of like this. My palm, I couldn't turn. I was like this. So now I can stretch all the way out, stretch all the way up, stretch out like this. I can turn my palm, move my fingers. So yeah, I think I did an amazing job. Like they did amazing here. Like I was able to drive again. That was my big thing. Like I thought I wanted a chauffeur, but I don't. Like I miss driving, and that was like the most important thing to me. And also like getting back to like bartending, because that's what my occupation was before. And like I just miss coming here. Like if I would miss an appointment, I would really be sad throughout the day, because it's like this was part of my everyday life. I'm sad. It's my last day. I'm sad. But like really driving and being able to write again. My handwriting isn't like as beautiful as it was before, but it's not chicken scratch like it was when I broke my heart. Just the atmosphere. Like the people here are great. Like I mean, we talk about my injury, we talk about things that's going on in the world, like our experiences, life itself. So it's not like your typical like doctor's office where you come in and then you're quiet and they come see you and then it's like, okay, let me book my appointment. Like it's really family oriented here. Like it feels like a family here. So that was my favorite part. The exercising, you know, it comes with it, but my favorite part is just the people here in general. Don't be afraid. Like you have no reason. Like just literally come in and just get a feel for the place, get a feel for the people, and I promise you will not be disappointed. This literally has been the best therapy I've ever been to. Like everyone here is great. The exercises are great. Like if you have a question, and my favorite part also is like the videos that we get sent. Like once we come in, we learn a new exercise, we get a video sent to our email. So if I forget how to do it, I could just literally go on my email and watch the video. Like everything about this place is amazing. You come in here crippled and you leave out here fantastic. Like look at me, I'm lit. I'm sad that it's my last day. Like I wish I could just come back. Like I wish this was like an everyday or every week thing, because I'm really gonna miss being here. I'm really gonna miss like the people. Even though I don't live super close, it's worth the drive. Like it's worth coming here, because you're gonna get your money's worth. You're gonna get back 100%. Like you're going to get the care that you need. So I mean, even the other customers that come in or the other clients that come in, I build relationships with them too, because we all just get along. Like that's gonna be I'm gonna miss it. I'm sad it's my last day. Don't catch me on camera.